So prior to the AVM, our shop, I'd consider to run our fleet maintenance like any other traditional fleet maintenance shop. You have a maintenance work order system that you use. You have the defect cards that a driver turns in. No different, very similar to any transit agencies out there or any transportation company, commercial service out there. Thinking back, we've been users only for 4 months of AVM. I don't know how we did function prior to AVM because we have so much more technology at our fingertips to be able to diagnose and triage a bus instantly. This saves us time, saves us money and my labor costs for my technicians so that they can, one, is repair the bus correctly the first time, have as much information possible, and historical data is great to be able to download with AVM, but also the portion of AVM that's on demand, where I can run a bus and look at the parameters and see how the bus behaves and be able to see the information live and make decisions based on that. So, I can't imagine functioning without AVM now.